What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today on this Sunday? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor. Smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. If you have not checked out this program on how to earn daily profits, do yourself a favor, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, go check it out. All right, real quick, want to do an update. I don't know how quick it's gonna be because I want to get this information out to you guys, but let's talk about this real quick. Want to make sure you guys plug in. If you're in the DGC community, digital growth community, make sure you're plugging into the community for information, guys, to know what's going on, because you know the new products are launching, right? So you want to stay plugged in. You also want to plug into IPC, Infinity Processing System Facebook group, because they are doing a new update this week. They're going to automate the system, right? With the new software that they have, so everything will be automated. You're going to need to pay your $23 so that you can make sure your system is automated. So you need to plug in. There's a Facebook group that you need to get in. Okay, they've been sending emails out to everybody for the last week or two. So make sure you plug in there, because I believe it's this Thursday. All right, so get in there and plug in. Now, I also put the link in the description so you can check out our last webinar from Friday. So go check it out. It explains the program from A to Z, as well as the launch that's coming this week. But real quick, people are getting it confused. Digital Growth Community is launching 3 new products, actually 4 new products. IPS is not launching a new product, guys. They're talking about upgrading the software. So I think there's a lot of confusion there. It's not IPS that's launching the new products. Okay? So let's be clear on that. Now, in order to get access to those products that's going to be launching this week, you need to purchase one of the 4 products. Okay? From the Infinity Processing products, the $50, the $150, $300, or $600. Okay? So that you can get in the community. Once you sign up, I receive an email notification. I'm going to send you an email with your link for your membership area and a link to get you in the community, so that when these products launch, you'll be in the community and you can get access to them for $29. That's the thing that I want to update you guys on first before we get into the rest of the information. There hasn't been an update today, so a little change from what I gave you yesterday. The community is going to allow us to have access and make our $29 purchase on Tuesday. Okay? Day after tomorrow, all the members in the community is going to be able to purchase the products for $29 on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, there will be a webinar launch only for the community, so that we can make sure everybody gets access, okay, and they get their system set up, okay? All right, so Tuesday, you're going to have access for all the community members. Then Wednesday, we'll have a community webinar to go over that just with the community. And then Thursday and Friday, there'll be a webinar on Thursday and a webinar on Friday to launch it to the world. Okay, guys? So that's why it's very important for you to go ahead and get your products now, because after Tuesday, you won't be able to get them for $29. You're going to have to pay the full price. Okay? And remember, those products are $100, $300, and $600 in the community. Right? So, very important. Go ahead and get your products now. www.thecopypastemethod.com, so that Tuesday you can pay $29 and get access to those new products from DGC. All right, this is exciting times. Very, very exciting. I'm super excited about it because Actually, you're going to have the 4 products from IPS. Then you're going to have access to these other 3 products. It's going to be 4, but the first 3, right? For $29, that's 7 products that you're going to have access to. That's 7 income streams, okay? So you're going to be able to learn more and earn more, all right? Now, let's get into some other stuff here. All right, with that being said, let's go over these new digital products, guys, and let me clarify. 3 products that you're going to be able to get access to for $29. There is officially 4 products that's launching, but 3 for the $29. For those of us like myself, I'm already at the premium, so that's the $600 product. So when it's available for me to access the $900, all I would need to do is pay the difference, okay? And anyone else, you'd pay the difference to get the $900, okay? So that's why I'm saying 4, but 3 for the $29, okay? So let me say this, though. You guys don't know how lucky and blessed you are to have this opportunity. You've heard me say it before, because I had no guidance, no blueprint when I came out online some years back. I wasted a lot of money and time trying to figure things out and how to connect the dots. There was no guidance, okay? I was just buying a bunch of different products, looking at all these videos. It didn't make sense, and I failed at it miserably. It took a long time to figure it out, okay? I had to start with direct mail marketing, postcard marketing, to start earning, because I didn't understand the internet marketing, how to connect it all up. Capture pages, funnels, all that was foreign, just like it's foreign to you right now, right? So I bought a lot of stuff that don't even exist anymore, that I couldn't use anyway because I didn't know what I was doing. So you are blessed to have this type of opportunity that out the gate, everything is done for you, and you're getting the steps, step by step, and having basically a mentor telling you what to do. That wasn't the case back when I came out. There was a lot of high ticket programs out here trying to get you to purchase these, you know, $3,500 courses, $5,000, $10,000, and saying you're going to have a coach. And when you talk to those people on the phone, their job was to upsell you on more high ticket products to buy, okay? So you just don't know what you have before you here. So you definitely should take advantage of this, because there's nothing out here that's going to give you this type of hands-on marketing, okay? Hands-on support, hands-on live training, especially for the price point, all right? So I just want to put that out there. Amazing, amazing. I am glad to be a part of this explosion, because this is an explosion in the digital marketing space. All right. So with that being said, let's take a look at what we've got here. So go check this out. Get started. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, guys. Okay. Now let's take a look. This is 100% instant commissions, by the way. No monthly fees here. But you've got to get one of the 4 products again if you want access to these new ones for $29, okay? I'll say it again. If you come after they launch on Tuesday, you're going to have to pay full price, guys, okay? So do it now, all right? Take action. So 100% commissions. So what do we got? Unlock your digital marketing potential with our exclusive program, okay? This is the Legacy Builder program. Learn the tricks of the trade straight from your phone without the pressure to sell courses. You gain resale rights where you can resell this, guys, over and over and over, and earn 100% commissions. Okay? Join a thriving community and receive live mentoring for a comprehensive learning experience. This is what I did not have when I came online. Okay? There was just a bunch of people out here selling a bunch of different things. You buy this one, you buy this one. Nobody was explaining anything. So here you have it all right here with this legacy builder. Okay, so here are the 3 products we're talking about. The $100 product is called the Launch Pad. Okay, you have the passive daily pay blueprint for $300. Okay, you're gonna earn $100 commissions on the Launch Pad. You're gonna earn $300 on the passive daily pay blueprint, and then digital mastery, you're gonna earn $600 commissions. Okay, so let's look at this, because when I blow it up it gets a little blurry. So let's look here. Let me see, I think I've got them right here, or did I delete them? Hang on one moment. All right, so I'm just gonna read it from my phone because I can't see the other ones. All right, so the Launch Pad, let's start with that. That's $100. Okay, that's the $100 product. That's one income stream. Start with your digital marketing journey with foundational knowledge and tools, ideal for those starting their journey and seeking to understand the digital landscape. Okay, then $29 for your website, but you're getting them for $29. Okay, you're gonna get, so let's say you've already purchased one of the 4. You purchased the Elite, right? The IPS product, the Elite product. You spent $150 over there with IPS, right? So that will be equivalent to the Launch Pad here. If you purchase the 50, guys, you'll have to upgrade. You see, that's why I'm saying go ahead and get the minimum is the Elite, so at least it'll be equivalent to this Launch Pad. Okay. Then the next product is the $300 product, passive daily pay blueprint. So now you're going to earn 2 income streams, the 100 and the 300. So if you buy the 300, you get the 100 automatically. That's 2 income streams. Construct your financial freedom with the blueprint. This program designed to guide you through the foundations of building passive income streams, aiming for $300 a day. Okay. Now, digital mastery. So the 300, of course, is equivalent with the Pro and IPS. Okay. So when you grandfathered in, that's what I'm saying. So you'd be to come over here and promote the 100 and the 300 because you already purchased the 300 with IPS. See what I'm saying? If you're in the community, remember, $29. Now, the $600 is the digital mastery. Now you've got 3 income streams. If you go with the 600, right? So like me, I've already purchased the 600 premium with IPS. So I'll be able to promote all 3 of these because I'm at that level. Okay. So digital mastery, 3 income streams, 100, 300, 600. Grow your digital empire with the digital mastery beyond the 600 daily pay. Learn to master affiliate marketing and build a brand ideal for those ready to dominate the digital world. All right. That's how that goes. Okay. Now, and there is going to be a time frame. Let's say you want to upgrade. Let's say you purchased the $300 IPS product, the Pro. And you're over here now. You paid your $29 and you can promote the 1 and the 3 over here. But you can't promote the 600. So there will be a time frame. I'm not sure whether it's going to be 30 days or 60 days where you can upgrade to pay the difference. You want the 600, what the difference would be. Okay, so we'll see as we get more information. Okay, but get in, guys. $29 to be able to get all 3 of these. This is $1,000 value, right? Add them all up, that's $1,000. What if you sold 1 of each in one day? What if somebody came along and said, well, I'll take that 100. Then another person said, I'll take the 3. And another person says, I'll take the 6 in one day. You just made $1,000. Okay. Plus you still have your other 4 over there with IPS that you still can promote. Okay, guys. All right. So let's take a look at this other one. Let me see here. Hang on. Oh, this one's called the Legacy Builder here. This $900 one. Okay. This is the interactive hands-on product. Ready to achieve your goal. Okay. Choose, let's see. No, that's not what I want to say. You get all 4 if you go all in, right? But this is the Legacy Builder here. So $900 value. Can you imagine making $900 a pop? I have a program where high tickets, what we call it, where you can make $1,000 a pop. So 900, that's high ticket, guys. So you get step-by-step comprehensive programs. You get all 4 if you get this one. Supportive material like worksheets, cheat sheets, swipe up files, email scripts, and framework. You're going to get the live interactive mentoring Zooms with lifetime access to the replays. This is a hands-on interactive program. Okay, that's how you're going to learn with this one. Automate sales page funnels, email templates, presentation template, digital product and program templates. Complete social media strategy. Never seen before bonuses. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Let me show you the other 4 products with IPS so that you can get access to these. Okay, these other 3 for $29 coming up this week. Again, Tuesday, if you're in the community, we're going to be able to go ahead and pay our $29 and get access to these products, and we can start promoting them. So don't you want to be a part of this? Sure you do. All right, so here are the 4 products. Okay, you're going to need to purchase products here in order to get that $29 access. All right, so 50 plus 39. 39 is your website fee. The company is going to create the website, so that's 89. Elite, it's going to be 150 plus 39. That's 189. This is where I recommend, if that's the lowest that you can get started, the least, you want to come here, not the 50, because you're going to have to upgrade to get access to the $100 product over there. Okay, so 189. The Pro, 300 plus 39. That's 339. If you go all in, like I did, it's 659. 659, you get everything. Okay, you got 4 products that you can promote. Okay, and earn instant commissions 100%, guys. Okay, no monthly fees. All right, so you're going to pick your product. Once I get notified from the payment processor, I'll send you an email, so you'll be on the lookout for an email from me that's going to give you a link to your products here, whichever one you purchase. Also in that email is going to be a link to get you over to our community. Okay, that's where you definitely want to be, because that's where you're going to get access to those products, as well as all this additional training that we get for absolutely free. Okay, a thriving community. I believe we're at 11,600 now. It's growing, it's growing, it's growing, it's growing. So you definitely want to be a part of that. All right, but I want to clarify some things, because I see the comments in the community. I see people online. I've seen people in the Facebook group. They're confused. Okay, so hopefully that will give you some clarity, guys. All right, but plug into the DGC community. Plug into the Facebook group, the IPS Facebook group. Okay, because you're going to need to be in both of those, especially this week because of the software upgrade. If you don't get your system upgraded, guys, I don't even know if you're going to have access to it. Okay, so you want to pay that $23 one time so that you can automate this system. That way you can be out just living life, doing whatever, not even have to worry about sending an email at all. It'll be automatically, people will automatically get access to their products, and you're good to go. And that's the other thing with the DGC products, it's going to be automated. They've already said that, so that's going to be great. Off the bat, as soon as people make their payments, boom, they're going to have access to their products immediately in the website within an hour or two. All right, so this is going to be great. So get excited, let's go. All right, guys, go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get started today. You don't want to miss it. I'm telling you, $29, you cannot beat this. You won't be able to get this again. So please, go check it out. All right, guys, with that being said, thank you so much. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.